Okay, everything was okay, eh? Good, very good. Okay, good afternoon again, everyone. So today we will proceed to the next tutorial, which is still in control structure. Okay, the repetition statement. Okay, that we use in one simple application. Okay, for the repetition and the selection statement, the if-else statement. So you will be we will do the first tutorial. Okay, we will do the first tutorial based on the breakdown given by me. Okay, we will use the first tutorial. We will do the first tutorial, okay, based on the breakdown that will be given by me. The breakdown is more, okay, is much more similar to the pseudocode. Remember, what is the pseudocode? It's a combination of a human language along with the programming language. So this breakdown already divided into a different task. Don't worry, I will share the screenshot later with you. Okay, so okay, open the screenshot given in the meeting chat. Okay, so from this breakdown, okay, they divide into a different task. Later in our lecture class, you will know why we learn this breakdown. Okay, so the first one is walk onto a screen. So when the task is walk onto a screen, means what they did when walk onto a screen. They start from a left hand side, which is from our left, okay, move to the center of the screen. Then they start with the greeting a user. Okay, they greet the user. So in the greet, okay, in a greet user, what they did, so they will they will welcoming peoples, okay, asking what is their name, and they will say something like it's nice to meet you with the name entered by the user. And then they will ask for the user's age, because this situation breakdown, they want to create something like a chat bot, okay, a chit chat box, a chat box, something like when you have a problem, when you go to a website, so you will use a chat box to chat with the customer service. But this time around, it's not the customer service, it's your sprite that like to chat a lot. It's very talkative. So they make into a breakdown. So for the first tutorial, I will show you how to convert them into a program. Then the next tutorial, you need to do by yourself based on the situation given by me as well. Clear? Clear?
Clear, miss.
Okay. So now open your Snap. Okay. Sign in to your Snap. Change your costumes. You can use Alonso. If you don't want to use Alonso, you can choose other costumes. Okay. You can choose other costume. Even though the name was Alonso, it's okay. You still can change to other costumes. Okay. I would like to use bear. Tada. Okay. Okay, so they said that the bear will will come from the left on of the hand side, which is this one. Okay, left hand side into the screen. Okay, into the screen and stay on the center of the screen. So I would like to use when a green flag click. I will use a motion. First, I will have go to, because I want to make the bear is like go to the left side first. So we must know x is 240 and negative 240. Y is 180 and negative 180. So we choose wisely. Okay, negative 247. I just want 242 and then negative 34. So if you want to see where is the coordinate, okay, here we go. This is our bear. Okay, they will glide to 0, 0, means center of the script. So the first breakdown we already done. Now it's time for us to create a user. So we use say, okay, I'm Alonso Bear. Okay, you can you can add on, but you can use the same. Okay, but you must use the same display text since we already mentioned. Okay, the text that will be displayed. So you must use hello Alonso, but you can add on more if you want to add. Okay, and then asking a questions. What is your name? Since you will call back the name like it's nice to meet you, the name. So create a variable name. Okay, since we only have one sprite, so I will use for this sprite only. And then my variable name will be name. Okay? And then set name to the answer. So if you want to see whether, okay, whether it's working or not, you can run. Click the green flag, click. Oh, it's coming from the left to the center. It's working. And then it's asking your name. Okay. Then you enter your name, Azia. But remember, you must have, it's nice to meet you, Azia. So we will use say with a join operator. Okay, where we will have it's nice to meet you and call your variable name. Then when you run again, hello, I'm Alonso. What's your name? And then you put Azia. So it's nice to meet you, Azia. So it's working. Okay. You want to see the name appear called by the variable, okay? Then it's working. So next, okay, the next breakdown is they ask about your age. How old are you with your name? So you will use the asking. Since you will combine the text, okay, words with the variables, you need the join operator again. Okay, so how old are you? Okay, then bring your variable name. I want to have another one because this is my question symbol. So they said that if your age, if your answer is 18 and above, is above 18. 18 above means 19 and above. Okay, so they will display, wow, you are old. Otherwise, they will say you are still quite young. Otherwise mean 18 and below. So we will use if else statement. So we use statement, this one, okay. If, okay, I will create another variable for the sprite for this sprite only, name age. Okay, I will store it my age in the variable. Okay, so if age greater than 18. Okay, if age greater than 18, then they will say, wow, you are old. So Okay. Otherwise means 18 and below. They will say you are still quite young. Okay. See whether it's working or not, you can go and play. Okay, one by one, step by step, you see. So you won't got an error. Okay, you won't get any error when you do the testing one by one, iterating one by one the program. Okay, so then you call you give a name. What's your name? It's nice to meet you, Azia. How old are you, Azia? Then I say I'm 38, my real age. Okay. Hmm. What happened? Because we didn't set our age to the answer. That's why they go to the else statement. Don't forget, when you use a variable, when you use a variable, always set the variable to answer. Okay, and then we repeat again. It's nice to meet you, Azia. My age 38, then it's working. That's why I say you must do the testing one by one. Iterating one by one. When you do the experimenting, you one by one you do. So you will see, oh, I forget to enter or I forget to call the set block. Then we will know that we are doing it wrong. Okay. Next, they said that our friends like to talk. So they ask, I like chasing mice. What do you like to do? So you ask. Okay. Like chasing mice. What do you like to do? Okay, you can create a variable named hobby. Okay, for this part only, since we are not having any other part. Okay, so I will set this hobby to answer. Okay, and then okay, they will say the hobby and sounds really cool, so they will combine another variables, okay, with the text or the words. So use join. Okay, use joins, and then hobby. Then what is it? Sounds really cool. Your friends like to asking more about you. Tell me more about it. Tell me more about it. They ask you. But you want to stop the conversation already. But when you enter no, they will keep repeating the answer. Okay, when you enter no, they will keep repeating please, please, please until your answer is not no. So this time around, okay, we use the Boolean expression, the true table. Means not true, false. Not false, true. So that's mean not no, yes. Not yes, no. So it means when you enter no, they will identify that, oh, you enter no. So it's not no. Not no means yes. Okay? So they will keep repeating. Repeating until the answer is not no. So means until the answer was yes. Okay. So you use a repeat until. Repeat until not equals the answer, okay, to no. So I'm asking you, for the please text or please words, which block is suitable? Is it say, think, or asking? I'm asking you. For the please word, is it say, think, or asking block suitable to be used inside the repeat statement? I repeat again. I'm asking you. No reply, I will leave this part blank. I will just giving you the next question that you need to do by yourself. Okay, I'm asking you the third time. Because I'm not talking to a laptop screen, I'm talking to humans. So I'm asking you again. Okay. For the please statement, okay. For the please statement, the please word, okay. Which block is suitable? Say, think, or asking? Okay, Samuel says say. Heidi, Vivin, Cheng Hao, and Ilalam say ask. Okay. So the answer was ask. You cannot use say, because if you use say, you will not repeating. They will only saying please without allowing you to enter any value. So they will just stop. But if you want to see, you can see. Okay, you can test. You can test, you can see, please. Okay. You can see, Okay, so hello, I'm Alonso. Okay, so they will ask, hello, I am Lonzo. What's your name? And you enter your name. Okay, and then you enter your age. Okay, then you say, what do you like to do? Baking. So baking sounds really cool. Then tell me more about it. You say no. This is what I mean. When you can test, you can test to see. When you use say, it stop here. Actually, it doesn't stop. Means your program does not terminate. Because it's keep looping saying, please, 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 please. But your program is still running. Program terminate means there is no, okay, the program is not running anymore. So the suitable block that we can use must be us. Okay? Us. Us will be suitable, very suitable. Okay? So you can try again, asking your name. Okay, you enter. Okay, you didn't enter any age, so it will go to else. That is the things that we will have an issue. Okay, then you say baking. Baking sounds really cool. Okay, tell me more about it. You say no. They say ask, is, no, 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 and then you say yes. They will stop. Program stop. Program terminates. There is no blue color border around your code anymore, around your script anymore. Okay, so using ask block will be a good choices, a good use. So when you look here, guys, when you look here, when you enter other than other values, means not a numbers, okay, it's still going to the you are still quite young. So what you can do is you can use the block is a number. Okay, so you can use the block, okay, checking if the age is a number. So that's mean you can use if statement. Okay, you can check if age is a number, then they will check here. Otherwise, they will not check. So you can go and see. What's your name? Azia. Okay. Okay. I say my age is Gu. See? Because your age is not a number. They will go to the next statement or command that you have in your program. But how about if your age is a number? So let's retry. Okay. So now this time around you say you are 12. They will detect a number and will do the if else block. Clear, guys?
Yes, miss.
Okay. So then the next breakdown was win up the conversation. Since you don't want to have a chat with your friends, your sprite friends anymore, your sprite friends also become boring. Okay, then he will say that, okay, then we have chatted for long enough. Okay, okay, then, okay. Oh, wait, we have chatted for long enough, and your friend maybe very angry with you, become cynical to you, must go, do smiles, do, okay, doesn't chase themselves. They are very angry with you because you don't want to say something, or you don't want to talk with them anymore. Must go, okay. Those must does not chase themselves. And they say move off the screen. So you say they will move to the right side. Okay. I will use glide. I will use glide, and then 2, 4, 3. 37. So let's we go. I like, what do you like? Okay, I'm baking. Baking sounds really cool. I say yes, and then, okay, wait, because just now it's okay. We need to run again. Hello, I'm Nozo. What's your name? Azia. And then our age. Okay, baking. Baking. It's okay. Tell me more about it. Yes. Okay, then we have chatted for long enough. Must go. Those must does not chase themselves. They will go. They will go. They will move because you use glide. Using glide, the moving, okay, the motion will be very smooth compared to if you use the move block. So this is how it will be look alike when you already break down the program into a small pieces. It will be much more easier for you to understand and to create. That is what you need to do for your individual project. You guys already get your idea? You already get your idea for your project, individual project? Hmm?
Yes, miss. I did.
Already get the idea. Today's lecture you will know,
Semata Finadian.
Hmm? Okay, still thinking. Okay, I really hope that after today's lecture, you guys can already, brainstorming, okay, the idea, what kind of application, okay, which type of application you want to create, So, yeah, Samuel. Okay, we break for 5 minutes before I give you the questions, okay, for the tutorial. Then, after you come back, I will share with you the questions, okay?
Miss, I have a question.
Yes.
For the variable for age and name, it doesn't matter if it's global or for one sprite only, right? Since we have one sprite here.
Yes. If you have only one sprite, actually using global or local does not having an issue. But when we had few most other sprite, few more sprite or other sprite, maybe using a local variable will give you an issue. If let's say you want to change the value later on in other sprite, but if you use one sprite, doesn't have any problem. Does not have any problem. Okay,
Yeah, okay, thank you.
Okay, I give you 5 minute breaks. Okay, you guys have a break first. Okay, break first, not breakfast. Okay, okay, and then if you want to go for a toilet break, you can go. If you want to eat something, okay, munch something, you can go for a while. After 2:50 coming back, I will give you the questions. Okay, guys. So let's we go to the questions for the tutorial exercise today. Okay. And as usual, once you finish, you can leave once I check your work. Once I check your works, you can leave. You can leave the class. I will sign your attendance. Okay, so here we go. Wait. Okay, here we go, guys. You go to your channels, okay, your team channels, then you will see in class exercise week 4. The sub channel, the in class exercise week 4. So open the questions. So it's quite similar to the first one, but this time around, we want to create one simple application about a storytelling, but that storytelling will be getting the input from user, which is us. I think, okay, okay guys, you want to create one storytelling application, but that storytelling you don't want to straight do the storytelling like once upon a time there is a king in the kingdom far far away. No, that king's name will be given by the user, will be entered by the user. All the information will be entered by the user. So following the breakdown given, following the task that each of the breakdown given, create one simple storytelling application. How to submit? Similar. Similar like your first in-class exercise past 2 weeks. Share your snap by replying the post here. Clear? Clear, guys?
Yes, miss.
Clear, miss.
Okay. Do it now. Once you finish, let me know. I will check and you can leave the class. I will see you again at 4:30 for our lecture class. Okay? I just want to ask from you guys. You should have, okay? You should have. Maybe they show is like hidden, but actually it's not hidden. Just make it appear. Okay? Just make it appear. You can screenshot your channel so I can show you actually how it should be. Okay? There it's there in your channel. It said hidden, but actually it's not hidden. Sometimes Microsoft Teams are very weird. If the channel is hidden, why I share with you guys? If I share with you guys, that means the channel is not hidden. But sometimes, okay, sometimes Microsoft Teams are very weird. They show the channel as hidden, but actually it's there. You just need to click and show the channel. quit your Microsoft Teams and open again. Close your Microsoft Teams and open again. You can open or not? Now you can open or not? Quit your Microsoft Teams and open again. Everyone can open, that means that is your Microsoft Teams issue. Okay? That is your Microsoft Teams issue. If other students can open, that means that is your Microsoft Teams issue. Did you find the question, Sohan? Your friends already share in the meeting chat. Did you find the questions? Okay.
Ma'am, switch to another costume. Does that mean we have to switch another costume?
Yes.
All right, ma'am. Thank you.
It is a story. It is a story. You run the code and then you will see what is the outcome. It is a story. And it's not a real story.
Miss.
Yes,
miss.
Michelle?
Hi, how are you?
Fine.
So, Miss, in the question, at the start, it tells us switch sprite costume. Then it tells us again in the middle, switch to costume. So the costume has to change twice, right? At the beginning and like here
Yes.
when it tells us. Okay, thank you, Miss.
No mistake, Jason. There is no mistake, Jason. Someone is changing my question. There is no mistake, guys. This is my actual questions where your friends already edit the question. I didn't ask you to edit the question. I asked you to do the tutorial, not editing the questions. Is it you want to do a very simple way, copy the text? A lot of you are editing my questions. You are not doing the application in that question. You are using the questions as a reference to do your application in Snap. Someone is editing my question, eh? I can see who edit my questions. A lot of people here, I know. Please do not edit the questions. I ask you to do the application, the storytelling application, not editing the questions. So you are downloading it, Shahmi Nabil? So you are downloading the question, Shahmi Nabil? Okay, good. Okay, good, eh? Very good. Maybe after this, I don't give the Word document, only a screenshot. Then your friend will not editing the questions. Because I don't think my 18 years old student will do the mistake. So that's why I share with you the file. I allow you to download, to use the file, but it doesn't mean that I allow you to edit. I can share you a viewing file with a secure, with a password, can. But I trust my student. Because this is questions. Everyone know question is not editing the questions. Because all of us already gone up. So we don't have to be very that kind of strict, like sharing only a viewing file, then you cannot do anything. I answer your friend's question from the meeting chat. Let me know if you have done guys. Let me know.
I have done, Miss.
And you already submitted?
Yes, Miss.
Pitakon and Vinite. Both of you submitted.
I
Let me
replied.
yes. Let me check. Let me open first. Okay, thank you, Zian. Lao Zian, thank you.
Thank you, Miss.
Okay, I'll see you at 4:30, Okay, thank you Ziyi, Eng Ziyi. Thank you. See you at 4:30. Okay, Vinite, thank you. Okay, Kritakon, thank you.
Thank you, Miss. Bye.
Okay, see you at 4:30, eh? I think in Snap, we also have the sprite from scratch, like Wenjo. Wenjo, you use the penguin. This penguin, we can find it inside Scratch as well. Okay, thank you, Wenjo. Okay. Now, Jason, there is no issue anymore, eh? There is no mistake just now. Okay. So when we look at the answer, the user enter the name, okay, the place, the animal, and the best friend's name. When the story, okay, when you read the story, it become like very funny because which animal did you dislike most? Some of you say snake, and your best friend's name Sam. So his pet was snake called Sam. So actually, we want to say that is the okay, the animals that we dislike most. But when it goes to the story, again, it becomes that is our pet. Okay, so that storytelling, you can make it interesting, you can make it funny, you can make it something more okay, more using the animation. So it's up to you. Actually, when we did the tutorial, you can get an idea what project you want to create for your individual project. Okay, Jai, thank you. Suvan, you are not calling the variable value that you get from the user entered when you want to speak of the storytelling. The only variable that you call back is animal and best friend's name. So that's mean your program is having a mistake, one simple mistake. So you can check later, what is your mistake. Okay, Excel. Thank you. See you at 4:30. Okay, Kwa Zun Ho. Thank you. Okay, Jet. Thank you. Jet Chan Jin Kiet. Thank you, eh. Okay, Lo Shazwan. Thank you. See you guys, eh. For those already check your work, see you guys at 4:30, eh. Heidi, I can't open. It said that the program does not exist. Check your link, Heidi. Heidi. Okay, Michelle. Thank you. Tan Kai Feng, check your link. As they said, the link I opened does not exist. So check Kai Feng and Heidi. Check your link. I can't open. They said that it's not okay. It does not exist. Ao, Ao, are you there, Ao?
Yes, miss.
Okay. There is a mistake there in your code. Okay, if you look there, you should ask all questions: name, place, the dislike animal that you dislike most, and the best your best friend's name. When the user enter yes, okay. But if you look at your program, you asking all the question after the if else statement. The only block that you had when you enter, okay, you enter value yes, is only asking the name. So maybe you need to rearrange something. Okay, from the code you need to rearrange something. Okay, Al?
Okay, okay.
Okay. Same like Tong Cheng Hao. Why you ask a question, only the name you ask a question inside the if statement. The rest you ask outside. Why, eh? That's mean even I enter other value, it still will run the other questions. So Chen Hao, look, you just need to rearrange the code, not to redo everything, just need to rearrange the code. Okay, Chen Hao?
Okay, miss. I
Okay.
rearrange now.
Okay. Okay, Zenny. To Zen-E. Okay? I always combine your name, Zen-E. Okay, Zen-E. Ton Zen-E. Okay? Thank you. Okay, now Heidi, I can open. Okay, thank you, Heidi. Just now what happened? What happened with the link, Heidi?
Excuse me, miss. Can you repeat what you said to Cheng Hao just now?
Okay, Kaifa. Tang Kaifa, okay. See you at 4:30. So Samuel, you did the same mistake as Chen Hao and see, I forget another student just now. Zen E, okay? So why you ask the question outside of the if statement? Because if you look at the breakdown given, okay guys, if you look at the breakdown given, it shows that the question, all the 4 questions, what is your name, what is your favorite, where did you go last year, okay, and then what is the animal that you dislike most, and what is your best friend names, you must ask if the user enter yes to continue with the storytelling. But right now, you guys are not asking in the if statement, but instead of asking in the if statement, you guys asking outside. Outside means even though you pass the questions, do you want to hear the story, they will still asking you the questions, the 4 questions, which is your program is totally wrong.
Miss,
That's
what
why.
if I use
That's why you asking just now. What is the comment for Chen Hao? Because you did the similar mistake.
Miss, what if I use if and else? So if you were to type no, it will just say goodbye and thank you.
No, if you type other, okay, if you use if else statement, guys, if you type other text, other than yes, means you type A elsewhere, they will go to goodbye. Then they will proceed to the next question because your question is outside of the if statement.
Wait, can you repeat? If I type what, then it will exceed the outside.
It's not that I didn't say exceed, eh? Sutesh, okay, you missed the, okay, you missed one breakdown, which is for no breakdown, Sutesh. Sutesh.
Yes, miss.
You missed the no breakdown. If the user entered no, but you don't have that choices, you are just simply going outside of the if the user enter, okay, answer equal to yes, then you just if other than yes, then you just simply view the goodbye haha. There is no condition, which is wrong as well.
Okay, miss.
Okay.
Okay. I'll try to fix it.
Okay. Okay, Harold Lim, thank you. Okay, Mohon Kid, thank you.
Miss, if you don't use if and else, but if the person types something other than yes or no, wouldn't the thing freeze also?
No, if you use if else, okay, you use the if statement. You must use the if statement. The breakdown is if statement. If you didn't use the if else, you have another if.
No, I think it's better to use if else because if they type something like a different answer, then the program will not respond if you're using two ifs.
Up to you. Okay, Syahmin Nabil. Thank you. You already... Okay, Zen E, you already correct your mistake. Wait, Okay, Long Mung Heng. Long Mung Heng, thank you.
Miss, can you try my program? I don't understand what do you mean.
Ruth Zabadia, you are not having a control structure. You ask the questions, what is your name? Okay, you ask a name, okay, you ask the question name inside the if statement, but actually it doesn't, okay. Then, after that, if you didn't answer the question, you just press enter, they will still continue doing the program. Means they will still continue asking the next questions. Even though you press enter without entering any value for name, they will just asking you the next question and they will just tell the story, okay? And they will just say goodbye, haha, which is your program. Actually, it's working, but doesn't work as instructed. So that means you are enjoying your own program and it's a mistake because you are not following the questions. So check, Ruth Zabadia.
Okay, Miss.
Okay.
Hello, Miss.
Yes, Ilalam.
Can you check mine, please? The last one. Not the first.
Wait, I still checking for your friends, So wait,
Okay.
Okay, Vivin, thank you.
Thank you very much, Miss.
Okay. Okay, Hassan, thank you.
So, Miss, what you were trying to say was, it only says goodbye, thank you if it says no. That's what you were trying to say, is it? Like
Okay,
the program
Rifat,
would.
thank you. Okay, Rifat, thank you. Okay, Michelle, thank you. Why you submit 2 times, Rifat? Why you submitting 2 times, Rifat? I already checked yours. Why you still submitting it? Okay, Wei Huan, Lim Wei Huan. Sohan, I can't open yours. Sohan, please submit the link. Share the link again because I can't open yours, Sohan. Why you guys repeating many submission? Okay, the same submission, guys. Ilalam, no submission from you, I didn't receive any submission from you, Ilalam.
Miss,
Are
I
you-
submitted twice.
Did you submit in a week 4?
Yes.
Week 4 channel? Sure, because there is no your name here.
Oh.
Oh,
Sorry,
why?
sorry, Miss. Sorry, sorry. My mistake.
Huh? Why?
I submit in week 2. Sorry, sorry. I will submit
Okay.
now.
Okay, now Samuel, what is your question just now?
So I don't get what you were saying earlier. Like, what's wrong with my program?
Wrong.
Like which exactly part that
If
you think is wrong? Like what? How so?
you read the questions, and if you do okay the first tutorial with me, you will know what is your wrong. What is your program code? Okay, having an error. Okay, if you read the question carefully, read the question. I even giving the breakdown. I don't think that the breakdown will be very hard for you to understand. The breakdown say, check for answer. If the answer equals to yes, ask what is your name, ask where did you go last year, which animals did you dislike most, and ask what is your best friend's name. But what you did, you only ask name inside the if answer equals to yes. Other question, you ask outside of the contour structure. That's mean, if I didn't enter any value for the questions, do you want to hear a story? Please answer either yes or no. I didn't enter anything. I just press enter button. They will go straight asking me, where did I go last year? Which animal did I dislike most? And what is my best friend's name? But suppose if I didn't enter anything, your program doesn't do anything.
That is if you use two if, but if you use if and else, if you didn't enter anything, it will say goodbye and thank you.
Sure. Try. Are you sure? Try. If you know than me, then you don't ask me a question. You try.
Hi, Miss.
Yes? You already
I-
submit.
Yeah, I'm Ching Hao. I correct the correction. Just now you asked me to correct it. See, is it correct or not?
Okay.
Okay, thank you.
Wait.
Okay.
Kai Feng, right?
Ching Hao, Tong Ching
Cheng
Hao.
Hao. Oh, Tong Cheng Hao. Wait. The same link, right, you use?
Yes, correct.
Okay. Okay, now you ask the question. Okay. Correct. Okay, but you ask them, do you want to continue? Okay, you add another one, You add another features. Okay, Cheng Hao, really? Am I right?
Yeah, correct.
Okay. Good.
Can you check mine, Miss?
Ilalam, where did you submit? I tried
In
to
week 4.
find yours.
Miss, I submitted after Vivian.
Huh?
I submit
After who?
Miss,
Oh,
will I
you guys
submit?
submitted outside of the. Okay, outside of the post. Wait. Now, let me check first. Now I'm opening Johnson.
Miss, I already checked. It works. If and else.
But did you answering the questions? Did you answering the questions?
Which question? Do you mean the one talking about animal and then tell the story, or which?
The task questions that you need to do. Did you answering the questions?
Yeah, so if you type yes, it will bring you to all the questions. If you type nothing or if you type no, it will say goodbye and thank you.
Then, but you know what? Why it will say goodbye, thank you? Because you push them to stop all. But if you didn't put the stop all, they will continue. That is your error because you are not answering the questions. You are not answering the task questions given.
Okay.
This is your fence, that I changed the code just for your information. Okay? I show you. If else. Your fans use an if else as well. Okay? Because I want to show you, because you want to argue with me, so I show you. Okay? Enter. Goodbye, thank you. And they will asking the questions. But yours is you pushing them. You play something that we can say is you push them to stop that, which is you to avoid the mistake. That's why they will stop. That's why they will stop, because you push them. You push stop all, then they will stop. That's why. But what happened with other statement that you have? They will never ask the question. Then that's mean you will never get the answer correct because you are not getting the output. Because you are pushing them, you put stop. Because if you didn't put stop, I know it will go. But because you want to show that it doesn't go, from the beginning you already put the stop, which is totally wrong. Totally wrong. Because why? Because you never get the output. Never. When we run the code, we didn't only try one input value only. We testing them in a multiple input value. Like when we enter the value, yes or no, is it working or not? Like if when we didn't enter any value, what will be? That is the correct way to do the testing. We didn't simply, okay, oh, the question say answer yes or no, so I just press yes or no only. No. We test them with a multiple input. Even we test them with an input with a numbers as well. Because a good program, if the question is about asking a string or text, they will only can accept text, not a numbers. So you know the mistake right now?
No, I was just wondering what if I use alternate way and stop, or like what's wrong with it, even though the results is the same. Like for example, the questions
okay
only
lah.
come out when it's yes.
I
I just
already
don't.
explained, but you still want to say your work is correct, then it's okay. I don't have any explanation anymore.
Yeah, but miss, I've already changed and put all the thing
Okay.
inside the yes box. I already updated, so the link should be updated also. But I'll just watch the recording and hear the explanation again.
Okay, Tatsuya, thank you.
Miss, I want to ask that, have you checked my work?
Johnson, yes, I forgot to call your name. Yes, I just check your works. Okay,
So
thank you. Sorry.
Miss.
Miss, I also resubmitted above Johnson, I think.
Okay, let me check. Okay, Ilalam, I can't open yours. They say the link does not exist. Did you share to me? Did you really share to me?
Miss, I just deleted it. I will resubmit. Let's fix something.
Okay. Okay, Sohan. Wait, you edit, right?
Yes, Miss.
Okay, correct.
Okay, thanks,
Okay,
Miss.
Sohan. Okay, now correct. Okay, thank you. See you at 4:30.
Can you
Yeah,
check
you
now,
too, Miss.
Miss?
Ilalam, right?
Yeah.
Wait, Ilalam. Sutesh, you redo or what? Sutesh? You redo your work or what?
Yes, miss.
Yes, correct, Ilalam.
Thank you, Miss. See you.
Okay. Ibagimov. Correct, Ilalam. Sorry, Ilalam. See, just now. Ilalam.
He left,
Where's
miss.
Ilalam? Ilalam already left,
Yeah.
He do a mistake. He did a mistake. The one that I say correct is Ibagimov. See, already confused. I need to call him again. Wait, Sutesh, I check yours.
Okay, miss.
Miss, did you call me?
Yes, Ilalam, yours is not correct. Yours is wrong. Okay? If you run, okay, and then you didn't enter any value, you just press enter. So they will still asking the questions, am I right?
Yes.
Which is you supposed to enter the, okay, suppose you enter yes, then they will ask you a question and will give or start the storytelling. Okay, but your program is when you press nothing, means you didn't enter any value, nothing. Okay, you just press enter. It's still asking you what is where did you go last year, which animal you discard most, and what is your best friend name, and they still play the storytelling. Read carefully the questions. The breakdown already given to you straightforward. They said if the answer equals to yes, means if the user enter yes, they will ask 4 questions. The place, the name, okay, animals, and the best friend's name. Okay, Ilalam?
Okay, Miss, okay.
Do not put stop all if not required.
Okay.
Okay?
Okay.
Okay, Sutesh. Now correct, sign Sutesh.
Okay, miss. Thank you so much.
Okay. Muhammad Saad, Bani, you still doing it?
Yes, miss, I'm still doing.
Okay.